Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys we will show you how to remove and replace the rear door speaker on Chevy Equinox right here or Pontiac Torrent. Stay with us guys, we'll demonstrate how to do that. Don't forget guys to subscribe. Let's grow the channel together, be part of it. Okay, first guys, there is one screw that we will need to remove right there with a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, check it out. Let me turn the light on so you can see a little bit better. And after that we will need to pry a little bit towards the front in the middle, right here. Pry in and then pry it out. You need to pull the door handle and pull the piece out, just like that. Okay, next we need to remove that trim because there is hidden bolts screws underneath it. So if you start on the bottom, okay, pry it like that, it will come loose. Okay, you can see it's really tight guys, so don't pull on the plastic, try to pry the clips. Okay, you pull towards the back at the very end. Now underneath right here we have two screws with a 10mm socket that we'll need to remove. Okay, one is there and one is towards the front. Okay, this one is loose. Now we have the one there. Okay, now on the bottom right there is a place where you can place a screwdriver. Okay, and pry the initial pry that will release a few clips. That way you can start prying the door panel. Okay, once you do that you can get your fingers underneath and start pulling. Once we remove it guys, we'll show you exactly where all the clips are. Okay, this one there as well. Now I think we'll need to remove that cap just with a prying tool. Okay, you can pull it out like that. And now there is I think 2 or 3 clips here. Okay, like that. So let us explain where the clips are. Towards the front, okay, that's the top part, and then you go down, okay, like that. Perfect. So now in order to remove the speaker, there is 3 screws that we need to remove with a 7mm socket or a wrench. Okay, one is out guys. Second one and one more to go. Okay, right there. So now we can go ahead and pull it out. Okay, this is the wire. What you need to do, you need to press in here, okay, and pull it up. Those tend to get stuck sometimes for some reason, okay, but it came up. Okay, check it out. That's the wire there. So that's how you remove and replace the rear door speaker, guys. You put everything together in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.